x tends to minus 2. Okay. Now 1 upon x plus 1 upon 2 and x plus 2. Okay. Again here, if you put the value of x is equal to minus 2, then we get the zeros upon zeros form. Okay. And these are not the good way to solve them. ओके ये बेस्ट तरीके में हो सकता है, तो बेस्ट वे से इसको सॉल्व करते हैं. ओके ठीक है, फिर आते हैं थोड़ा सा फैक्टराइज करते हैं इस फॉर्म्स को. ओके लिमिट x tends to minus 2 and then we all solve them. First of all, the LCM of this function is 2x, the multiplier of the x and adding the that is what here 2 and plus x, okay, upon x plus 2. On arranging them under here, these and these are cancelled out and we get the limit x tends to minus 2 and 1 upon 2x. Then we put the value here and we get 1 upon 2 multiply minus 2 and that is equal to 4 minus. And arranging them 1 upon minus 4. So minus 1 upon 4. Here in these questions, we have noticed that okay, if you put the direct value, we get the 0 answer here. Okay, if you put first of all factorize them and solve them, then put the value of x and then we get the 0. Then put these limits and then get the 0. Okay, here. If you put the direct value of z, get the 0, and if we arrange them or factorize them, and then use the value of put the value of the limits, then we get the minus 1 upon 4. So, best way is that we first of all factorize them their functions and then put the limits of them. Okay? So first of all doubts are here. यहाँ में सबसे बड़ा डाउट्स बिग डाउट्स सिर्फ ये आते हैं, इसमें कंफ्यूजन सिर्फ इस टाइप कंफ्यूजन आते हैं. ये डायरेक्ट वैल्यू पुट करने से भी 0 आ रहा है, और इफ यू पुट द डायरेक्ट वैल्यू ऑफ द लिमिट्स एंड देन गेट द zeros, and if you put the indirect value of 2 and then get the 0. So what is the best way? So from these questions, best way is that first of all factorize them and solve them. First of all factorize them. They cancel out to very common factors and then put the limits and then we get the result. Correct. Okay. Now erase them and interesting questions from the trigonometry. Interesting questions. Very, very interesting. Okay. Give some. Okay. Limit x tends to limit x tends to 0 sin x upon x is equal to 4. Okay. First of all solve them question, fourth question. Limit x tends to 0. 1 minus cos x upon x is equal to what? Okay. Before solving these questions, put down some expansion, okay, of sine and cos. The expansion of sine x is equal to x minus x cubed upon factorial 3 plus x power 5 upon factorial 5. Okay, and minus x goes 7 upon factorial 7 and that dot. Similarly, the extension of cos x is equal to 1 minus x square upon factorial 2. Okay, plus x power 4 upon factorial 4 and then dot, minus dot. Okay. First of all, solve the first questions. Limit x tends to 0. Sin x upon x. Choose the value of the sin x. Well, I'm putting there. Okay. X minus x cubed upon 3 factorial plus x power 5 upon